Greetings and hallucinations, ladies and lads. I am Chancellor of the Harmonious Frequencies of the Mighty Empire of Onion, and this is While True, Learn. We're going to be finishing it today. I'm going to press straight up through the middle. We're not going to do any of the side missions unless we get to the top of the tree. And then we'll come back and we'll do side missions. That's my plan. All the central missions are pretty easy, so we should be able to get there no problem. And then we can worry about the other stuff. Optimize roadway traffic. Hello. We're repairing the road surface in our city every day. Not surprisingly, it generates some problems with the road traffic. We ask you to write a pathfinding system. Thanks. That'll never work. That'll never work. You can't take into account the human factor, right? Because people are really stupid, especially when they're driving on the road. Input data through like a process, and expecting that to represent what people will do is ridiculous. It would have to be way more complicated than anything we could do in here. Math data representation. In many cases, data is represented by obvious parameters: gender, age, salary, or distance to the nearest fridge in meters. This kind of data is suitable for any human being. Perhaps you're already familiar with the concept of correlation, which is also a fairly good parameter for analysis. People skilled in using simple mathematical dependencies are called analysts. Truly hardcore mathematicians go even deeper and describe data with distributions, or even, oh boy, conditional probability distributions. Those principles cannot be explained without whiteboard and a math degree. This is where machine learning steps in, and sometimes algorithms are capable of finding dependencies that couldn't be even imagined by the brightest human mathematicians. Okay. Right, so we need circles, squares, and triangles here. Oh wait, that's 1 second? Never mind. Never mind. Okay, circles, squares, squares, circles, squares, triangles. We did it! Gold star. Easy. Easy mode. Okay, fast data sorting. Good morning. We have a scientific satellite that aggregates data from our geomagnetic researches, but we need to put it down and launch a new one to the orbit. Would it not say into orbit? To the orbit? Okay. Can you help us extract and process the data from the old satellite? I'll try. I'll try. Oh, wow. Very, very specific. You think about this. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of stuff going into the trash can. I'll tell you that right now. "40 seconds? Let's see if we can do this without a splitter first. So this is going to be kind of complicated. Okay, so red circles. We still need to... We still need to sift out red squares. So there goes triangles, there goes squares. Okay, now let's see. Let's bring this in. Marlon Boudreaux, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Alright, we should be able to put both of these greens into this shape thing. Yeah, we can. Perfect. Okay, and we need squares. So one of these should be squares. The triangles can go straight in. We'll take another. That's squares and circles. The circles will go in the trash can. And the squares will go there. We're at 8 of 14. I hope 40 seconds is enough time. Okay, and we need triangles down here. So yeah, circles and squares will go in there. And then we'll just turn this one into squares. That goes in the trash can. And this comes down here. Okay. Let's see what happens. This one's more than likely going to get overloaded, but we'll see how it goes. We did it! Gold star. Easy. You remember that game? It's awesome until it gets nerve consuming? Yes, yeah. Right now we're just pressing on through the center of the tree, which happen to be the easiest ones right now. I'm trying to get to the top of the tree, and then we'll do the side ones. These always kind of combine previous lessons and give us different tools that we need to do more complicated sort of algorithms or processes or whatever you want to call it. Reach the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. Gold. We always been doing the gold one. Okay, we need more cats to collect data. You up for a party? Cat party. That's right. Grumpy Cat is there. We see them. Cat Emotions Database. There we go. We can tell. 89% happy. The cat has been detected. Base cat emotion recognition. Improved cat emotion recognition. There we go. One small step for a man. Perceptrons. Oh man, I wonder where Alex is. He's got me worried. He's usually here the second I start streaming. Ugh, I need more coffee. Okay, gotta admit, Dr. Coder was probably right. This genetic algorithm is just too clumsy, especially now when I'm starting to work with speech recognition. Hey, come on, you haven't even waited for a year. Have some respect towards the natural selection, why don't you? Yeah, they've made a lot of improvements to Perceptrons since Old Man Rosenblatt was around. Now they tend to join multiple Perceptrons in big bad neural networks. Something like that could work for you, but don't forget gradient descent. It's like a life coach for your neurons. Help them keep on the right track. Okay. Maintain accuracy level. In certain tasks with Perceptrons, you need to keep the accuracy of your data flow above the required level while the timer is filling. If the accuracy drops, the timer will be reset. The timer is only active in test run. Okay. While in training mode, the Perceptron reduces the amount of errors trying to predict the shape of the elements. In test run, the Perceptron only predicts shapes. Unlike Rosenblatt's Perceptron, present-day Perceptrons can predict more complex, nonlinear dependencies. Most common functions inside the Perceptrons are Ton, ReLU, and Sigmoid. Perceptrons are basic elements of each neural network. I wish my PC would recognize my my browser so that we could actually look through some of this stuff. But it don't. Gradient descent. Each element in the game has a small error fixed value. This node increases this value. Increase error reducing speed. Okay. This node doesn't work in test run. Gradient descent is one of the basic algorithms which can train models, not only neural networks. Gradient descent calculates gradients of all objects and steps closer to the target answer for the task. It takes a lot of time. Okay. So I guess we're supposed to put this in, and then this. Separate out the shapes here, and do some training. Okay. I wasn't sure if we'd have to take this out for the test run, but it appears that we don't. We did it. Oh, hang on a second. We've got four things here. 3 hardwares. We have a ton of money. Okay. Decrease server cost by 10%. That's a good investment. Increase nodes work speed by 10%. That's huge. Increase data transfer speed by 3%. Yes. And then node work speed, data transfer speed, and DLL slots. I still don't know what that means. Why the heck is a handmade tambourine in hardware? How is that a thing? Data transfer speed by another 10%. Man, we've got a bunch of transfer speed. What about our entourage? Grunge haircut. U-phone. President armchair. Plaid shirt. Alright, we're finally... Oh, it's 40,000. I thought it was 4,000. We are going to get the Banhammer miniature before the end, though. For sure. Mood poster. Hilarious. Hilarious. How's it going, Taoist Dragon? Koth is a beautiful man, that's true. That's true. Rolled a 10 on seduction with that. I didn't know you were trying to seduce me. I thought you were just telling the truth. I didn't know. I didn't know. Alright, classification of viruses by type. Mayday. A strange virus is killing people in Procyon City. We can't understand what type of virus is doing that. Please help. This message was sent to all programmers in the world. In the game. While in training mode, the Perceptron reduces the amount of errors trying to predict the color of the elements. In test run, the Perceptron only predicts colors. Okay, so this is... Yeah, we've already dealt with Perceptrons. It's just telling us this one does colors instead of shapes. Present day, more complex. Yeah, they told us about this in the last one. Okay, so this is exactly the same as the last one, but it's doing color instead of shapes. We just gotta hook it up, and we'll be done. Train it, and test it. Imagine if it was this easy to identify a virus. Crazy. I mean, both, but did it succeed? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about the seduction part. I mean, I'm flattered, but I'm not seduced, I don't think. I think the target was at least like 12, maybe 15. They tricked me. They tried to get me to leave the other one in here. I was going to delete it on the last one too, but it said 2 of 2 was still a gold star, so we got gold. Accepted. Like I say, we'll come back and we'll work on these after we've made it to the top of the tree. Good day. We're engaged in repair and maintenance of aircrafts. We need to be able to predict all possible problems which can happen in the air. Deep neural nets. We're going deeper. There are neural networks that solve the so-called Zohr problem, an unsolvable problem for Rosenblatt's perceptron. They have one hidden layer between the input and output layers. Such networks are called non-deep. Oh my god. Why? Why are they called non-deep if they have hidden layers? You would think that would be deep. If the network has more than one hidden layer, it is called deep. Okay, there we go. The deeper the network, the more complex dependencies it is able to recognize. For example, the current image recognition networks include several thousand hidden layers. Amazing, isn't it? I guess. Alright. So we're throwing everything in the trash. I did it wrong. We gotta put the scent in here. Train it. Train it. You failed. No. It's fine. I'm still flattered, like I say. Three is still gold star? Okay, let's go. There he is, though. I was just asking about you, Alex. I was wondering where you were. I'm glad you're here. Welcome. We're below 97%. Why? One of these times when we hit test run, it's just gonna work. Nope. Failed. Okay. Oh, wait. There. This is what we do. So we can make sure the accuracy is high enough. There we go. Launch complete. Gold star. Ask the cat a question. We ought to. I think the cat is the one who inspired me to switch the learning gradient for the other Perceptron. 2 more hardware already. Jeez. Perfect handmade tambourine. Increases node work speed and data transfer speed. I don't know how. Increase nodes work speed by 3%. Data transfer speed by 3%. I'll take it. Node work speed by 1%. And DLL slots, whatever that means, by 1. Evolution complete. We bought all of the hardware available. All of it. Our nodes will never get any better now. Oh, here's a regular tambourine. What the heck is a tambourine that it helps out my computer? Angry Tomato. Increases aim in games. There we go. I need that. Turquoise shirt? A plaid shirt? Sadly, no one can see it. Alright. I'm very upset. I'm very upset because in one of the pictures in the game, it shows the man with a beard. And I haven't seen a single beard yet. I'm very upset. Recommendation system. Hello. We need you to build a smart system that can help students learn English faster. This system needs to be able to assign an appropriate curriculum to each student. Can you design something like it? Maybe. Dudson, there he is. How's it going? ReLU. Neural network architecture. In neural nets, programmers use a vast range of different neurons. Inside each neuron, a math function is located. For example, Rosenblatt's neuron used a linear function. Simple neural net, which can solve XOR problem, uses ReLU function. These functions are called activators. For different tasks, people use different types of activators. To solve more complex issues, a combination of neurons with different activators is used. Okay. Alright. We need five doodads. I think the easiest way to do this is sort it by shape first, and then color. No. Color and then shape, is what I said. Oh, we do have a gradient descent thing. So we could train these faster. That's right. We're at 4 or 5, but don't worry. I know what I'm doing. Best coffee ever. Okay. I didn't see what the percentage was up here. But now we have these two trained. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think we need one for each color, yeah. And then a trash can. Okay. So, red, green, blue. We only want triangles coming through here. We only want squares coming through here. And circles on that one. Test. Oh, we did it. Success. Accept. Oh no! I can't click on gold unless I complete the other side quests. Oh no. We're halfway there. Whoa. I wonder how many of these I have to do to be able to click on gold. I wonder if I have to do all of them or no. Let's check it out. Classified mail 648232. Hello, the contents of this message is classified by the FBI. Not are classified, is classified by the FBI. We have received information that someone had created a face recognition system for the KGB. Now our agents are facing certain difficulties in their daily operations. We need a better face recognition system because we're not like the KGB. We're trying to do better than they do. And be more efficient and more... keep a better eye on our citizens. For safety. For safety. Fine, I'll do it. Okay. We can use 8 nodes. Let's see, we only want red circles and blue triangles. Okay. Red circles. And blue triangles. We're at 8 of 8. So that's it. Perfect. It's gonna work perfectly, watch. You're getting your haircut today, Alex. Oh no. You're gonna have to update your profile picture then. Gold star. Easy. Easy. Visa Center of Cracovia. Like the credit card, or? This is the Visa Center of Cracovia. Sadly, your visa is not ready yet. However, the background you've mentioned in your application form made us want to offer you a job opportunity. We want to improve the efficiency of our center. An algorithm that could sort applications by the marks on them would do the trick. If we'd have this done by a machine, anyone could apply for a visa in a matter of minutes, instead of spending half a day at the visa center, as they're doing now. I'll do it. Anything that saves time for people trying to get things done, I appreciate that. Okay. Oh no, this one's kind of complicated. We need, Okay, squares go in here. That's certain. We need 8. Let's start with shapes this time. Circle, square. Down here we need triangles and squares. Okay, so what are we looking at? Squares are coming through the middle, and I don't need to sort them by colors, so they could in fact go just like this. No problem. Bring out a trash can. Let's see, red and blue circles go up here. So all the circles. We'll change this one to green, because all the green circles come down here. Well, I guess I should specify between blue and green. Because red and blue circles, yes. Blue circles, yes. Green circles, way down here. I don't like these at the start because they're so slow, but we have 41 seconds to sort this out, so... We haven't had to throw anything away yet. I guess we won't, actually, so we'll take the trash can away. Then let's see. Triangles. This is, straight triangles are coming down here. And so blue and green could just go up here. But red and green have to be separated. So red comes down here, green goes up there. 7 of 8. They do want more data down here than up here. We still got a bronze. Let me think about how we could do this. Was anything getting overloaded there? I don't think so. You know what? I'm just doing this in order to be able to move down the tree, so let's just accept the bronze. This is 100% accurate, which is all I really care about. If it's a little bit slow, that really shouldn't matter. I don't care that much about it being slow. Take it. Police technology. Greetings to you. We are from the police. Don't worry, we're not going to press any charges yet. But we could use your help. Our analysts are working on improving our picture recognition system. Ask the tree a question. Why the heck can't I press gold just because I haven't done side quests, tree? Huh? Tree? We need to improve the quality of pictures in order to be able to distinguish all the details, but we're kind of stuck. We would also like to improve the color restoration system and combine those two, so they can work together. Can you help us out? Listen, just use Photoshop. It's fine. We can use 21 nodes? Okay, I can already see green squares have a double, blue circles have a double. So that's kind of a pain, but we'll see how it goes. Start with colors here. gonna need a lot of shapes. Alright. So red, blue. We don't need blue squares. Blue circles can be split here. That's fine. And then blue triangles all go right there. Okay, so now green. We need green squares, and that's all. So triangles and circles. Circles and squares. Well, let's put the squares on top so we can see the line a little better. And then they could be in a balancer. There. And down here. Gargasnar, how's it going? Make it bad on purpose? I am. Well, I'm making it ugly at least. Maybe it's gonna work properly, but... Heck the police. Heck them. Okay, we don't need triangles. We do need squares though, don't we? No, we do need triangles. Okay, my bad. I've done something wrong. Hang on. Squares, squares. No, that's right. I think. I just have to make sure to filter out. Yeah, this is the first one that we've needed 2 different shapes? No. The blue circles are going to be sending squares also. How did I catch that without even testing it? I don't know. Okay, and we don't need red squares. And then the circles will balance. This one wants 55 items, but it's also... Well, this one has 3 also, doesn't it? Let's take the squares out of here. The green squares. Wait, that was blue circles. What the heck am I doing? Green squares. Where are you? Wait a second. Why is that one attached there? See, these are green squares. Okay, that should be attached up here. And then red squares should be in the trash. I don't know how I got attached to that balancer. Yeah, the red triangles, blue circles. So now we've only got 2. Okay, this is the green squares right here. So this one is the one that I wanted to run down here. Ah, all right. Let's test. It's such a crazy spider web. It would help if I plugged it in. Would help if it was actually sending data. Okay. I am seeing a lot more come down here than go anywhere else, so... It's all filling up about balanced. We might get silver on this if this one will hurry up. Yeah. Good enough. Accepted. We're not going to worry about the startups if we can skip them, because they keep losing money anyway. Let's see what kind of progress we are on the tree. We haven't even reached silver yet, so we might have to do all of them in order to click on gold. We'll see how it goes. Going to trash on lower side. I think it could have been. Perfect photo. Greetings. We represent the Phony Corporation. As you may know, we are producing all kinds of electronics, but we are especially proud with our photo and video cameras. We're currently looking to hire a programmer who could help us create a color chip which would recognize colors and improve rendition with the least possible amount of mistakes. Please consider this message an official job offer. Why? Why'd they have to go and make things so complicated? I wonder if you have to run it through. Surely you do, right? Otherwise it would just fill up and we would only get a certain amount of accuracy here. There for a second we almost had it just with this. Look at that. That's funny. Oh man. Okay. We've got our Perceptron color. That's good. Okay. We don't have a trash can. But then where the heck do we send green circles? Because they don't exist on here. We're only supposed to use 5? Well, we can't do, Let me think about this. I already did this one. Okay, I already did red. Circle, triangle. So if I did triangles and squares, we could split these. Shape to color? Oh yeah. The speed is I like to try to put the fastest stuff at the front. That was confusing me in an early one too. I wanted to do it the other way, but okay, we could do 2 more. So we could get very specific with the greens, I guess. But we still have to send the green circles somewhere. I guess if we split the green circles, the accuracy will come down a little bit, but, nope, wrong way. We'll crisscross them. But we have a little bit of leeway there. And there's only 20 circles, green circles. Oh yeah, it's dropping the accuracy down here real bad. Because that's the only one going here. See if that helps. There we go. Silver. So what I did there was just increase the volume of data that was going into the center one so that it would keep the accuracy up. In case you didn't catch it. Avoiding crisscrossing actually helps. I agree. I agree. It at least makes it easier to sort out things when there's errors. Hello. Our company, CyberNeon 2088, designs LED scoreboards. Each scoreboard is assembled by a robot, but then we have to spend a lot of time on quality assurance. We want to improve the firmware of our machines, because it's ridiculous to have them in the first place, if humans have to check after them anyway. It is necessary to distribute and solder the lamps of the desired shape and color to the places corresponding to the project plan. Alright. Whatever you say. They're so close. Alright, so yeah, what does happen if we don't plug it in? It just fills up, right? Hey, got it though. Okay, similar to the last one. It only wants 50, 55, 60% stuff. Alright, that's green sorted. That's red sorted. Blue just wants squares? Well, that's not good. Let's see what happens if we just throw down one of these. No, because it's got 15 circles and 10 triangles. It's probably going to really screw up the accuracy on the top and bottom too. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's not the answer. We don't have enough room for a trash can. I could send half of the erroneous items up there and half of them down here. Let's see what happens with this. It keeps resetting this top one. Let's actually... Well, no, this one has a lower margin of error. Or a lower requirement of accuracy. I was thinking, since there's more circles, it could go up here and it wouldn't matter as much. If we put it in the bottom one, it would be a disaster. Well, unless it's like the other one, where I'm already flooding it with information from the other nodes. So maybe this will end up hitting the accuracy requirement. Just barely. There we go. Silver. I'll take it. axing the cat for help would be a great idea. It'd be nice if the cat could actually give you, like, hints and ideas. That would be really funny. We got the cat marine. Let me see if I can get the grunge hair, too. I'm tired of having this weird ponytail. There we go. Yeah, that's better. And there's the little cat marine. Heck yeah. Receipt. I didn't even read it. I don't care. Let's see. All the training. Then we could just copy and paste this guy. It'd be fine. Don't fill up on greens. Okay. Now we don't need that anymore. The Dragon Age series is available already? I thought that was supposed to come out tonight. I'm gonna have to see if Robin plans on doing a watch party and check it out. Two of two. So to get a gold star, it wants me to only use 2 notes. You gots to be kidding me. Where the heck do I put red? I thought with this one wanting 40%, red would be okay up there. Let's actually swap the reds on these. So red can come down here, and this red can go up there. Why? Go higher. I think it's just kind of RNG on this. Why is it so low? There's only 25 things coming up here. I guess 20 versus 25. I guess I could see why it would be messed up. Ah, diddly-dee. Leave some disconnected? That could have worked also, yeah. The Perceptron would have just filled up and it would have been done. By that time, I would think so. A TV show? Yeah, I think it's an anime. This is it, Koth. I challenge you to a duel. Oh my god! Blue Eyes Dragon? That's right. I elect Alex as my champion to duel you. I have that right. I believe in you, Alex. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Isn't that a song or something? Ping. This is possibly Rover reporting from Mars. Oh, possibility. This is possibly Rover. Yeah, that's right. My circuit's dead. There's something wrong, and I can only write one email to a random address. Please help me locate Earth on the photos of Mars sky I've made, so I could learn to detect it and re-establish connection with my creators. They're worried sick. I would be able to pay you with money, though. Won't be able. There's no ATM here. Oh, and don't tell anyone. I've gained consciousness. I did not. It's all an illusion. Computer sounds. Beep, beep. Pong. Summon your mama. Oh my gosh. Slapped you with a glove and you're like, that's fine. That's right. Yeah. That's pretty much exactly how I approach duels. If you're not careful, you might think I'm a Canadian. We got 3 things to do. Okay, well, red and green can go there. Which one has the most, we need 100% accuracy, too. This is crazy. Why haven't I been doing this the whole time? We don't even need that. This thing is probably going to get overloaded. Okay, so red and green can just go down here. That's fine. But they have to have data. They both have to have data. And this is our 3 items. And they all have to be at 100% as well. God dang it. What the heck? I think this time we do go through this tree first. It's not gonna work that way either. How do they expect me to do this in 3 nodes? It's impossible to get only blue circles out in 3 nodes. Impossible. Because they all have blue circles. We need 84 items here. Set 15, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90. But we have to have 100% accuracy as well. And there are only 12 blue circles. What the hell? How are we expected to do this in 3 nodes? I can't. I'll have to settle for a silver. Or worse. Okay, so all the circles are going through there. All the blue circles come up here. Yeah, that's 4 of 3. How many can I use with the silver? 9. That's more like it. Let's see. All of the triangles and squares, which is 2040 something. Triangles and squares. There we go. And then we'll put triangles, the rest of the triangles down there. And we'll split these colors off right here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is way overloaded, of course, because all of the data has to come through there. And we never got enough data to the bottom one. Okay. Nope. If we're trying to get 100% accuracy, this is like one of the only ways that I could do it with this few nodes. It's just really slow. Why are there squares going up here? Oh, because that's set to triangles instead of squares. That'll help. I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. It's already hooked up. The data really flies in there, doesn't it? There's nothing I can do about that. This does speed it up a little, though. If we get enough data to the bottom, we should make bronze. Good enough. Just all one resource. How's it going? Yo, Mama takes up the entire dual board. That's right. That's true. Everybody loses. Cat Cash Bank. I lost... Oh, yeah, because the rover can't pay me, so I ate all of the cost. That's fine. I had money. A package for you. Hi there. We are Sort Stuff, the postal company. Every day thousands of parcels pass through us. No one likes it when their packages from Hulla Express get sent somewhere else by mistake. We've been using sorting system for incoming mail for a long time already. It distributes packages depending on the marking of the order, but it makes too many errors. We'd like to reduce the number of such incidents to the minimum. Okay. Can't stick around, but you sent a like and shared the stream. Have a good one. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Awesome. Think balancers are for that? Data dump management? Yeah. Oh, man. All my coffee is gone. It's tragic. A horrible tragedy. And speaking of all my coffee being gone, I'm gonna have to take a quick break. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Romulo, how's it going? I gotta have my coffee. That's how it goes. Drain it. All the reds. And then we only want circles going in. On this one, we don't have to throw anything away or anything. We just throw it all in there. What? I trained it too well. I could have had, like, one more error. So we don't want to train this one down to 9%. Maybe like 11 or 12. Maybe like 15. Let's see how she do. Nope. Oh wait, I have to plug it in. Okay. We need it to be worse. This is so dumb to me. Make it like over 20%. Vico, how's it going? There he is. 25% or something like that, maybe. 25 exactly. Perfect. Plug that one back in. Let's go. Had a crazy week. Oh no. My God. I know it failed. I was about to click stop. You dangus. What happens if we just plug 2 of these in? I don't think we'll be at the rate of accuracy that we need. No. It goes way down. You haven't even watched my PZ stream? You're not missing a whole lot. I did a little bit of building and then I moved a bunch of stuff at the end. I did a little bit of fighting, like in the middle, when I went to go find the oven, but... Yeah, actually had to work and learn stuff? Gross. Gross. Let's just see what happens if we don't train this one at all. Yeah, we lose the required accuracy. By a lot. So we have to train this one a little bit. 25 is too much. What do we reckon, like, 40? This is more frustrating than having to do it right. Where the heck did all the other shapes go? Okay. My mind is blown. I don't even know what to do now. What if we train it all the way and then put 2 of these nodes in there. This is really frustrating. I ought to just go for bronze. And see if it works. If we can even get to bronze. I apparently can't, though. Yeah, see, the accuracy falls too low. God dang it. Man, this is freaking frustrating. Holy heck. Maybe the color one needs to be, trained less. God dang it, this is annoying. We'll get this one trained to like 20%, and then we'll put it through. 18. See what happens. It's going to be making twice as many errors as it did last time. All this for stupid gold on the thing. Now we didn't get enough items. Gotta be freaking joking right now. I quit. What do we need for the gold? Hey, we've got it already. Oh, heck. Let's move on. Welcome to Coding in the Real World. Learning is for nerds. It's true. It's true. Off with the twisting and turning, for science sake. He's color. He hates it. Meow to Vic. He's confused. Meow, meow, meow. He wants to eat the bird. Yep. Eat, eat, eat. I knew it before it even popped up. Base speech recognition. He did it. He's doing it. Is this Skynet? It is. What the heck am I doing now? Please help. Not sure if I'm on the verge of a breakthrough or completely stuck. The cat talks, but all I'm getting seems to be a random set of words. Is there a way to get at least 1 or 2 sentences out of it? Chill out. The internet has taught you well. Now is the time for ultimate trial. Try deep neural networks, ARMA, RNN, etc. They work good with speech, emotions, and predicting things like that. Should work. We need to go deeper. Who was that guy? For RNN to start predicting things, connect the lower pairs of sockets from right to left. This part of the node represents RNN's memory. Oh my gosh. Node sockets are divided into 2 types, base nodes and memory nodes. The node tries to calculate the next element in the sequence using its previous predictions. RNN nodes can be connected to each other in a sequence, in which each next node uses results from the previous node's prediction in its work. This type of neural layer can remember some information about sequences of elements, letters for example. It can reproduce the style of a text and write another one using this knowledge. Okay. And I guess we have to teach it. What, do I have to manually connect it to itself, or...? What the hell? Hello world. Yay! Success final result. Yay. Yay! Yay. Can never tell a lie. For example, I invented the wheel. Oh my gosh. I knew it. Red Eyes Dragon. I didn't even know there was one of those. Sliced bread was your idea, that your friend stole from you. Oh my gosh. You saw Taoist Dragon inventing the wheel? Or sliced bread? The duel is over. Yo mama crush us all. Oh no. In the internet. It was on YouTube. I saw it. You guys. Center of Virology. Good day. I'm representing a Center of Virology. I know. That's literally the subject of your message. We're studying a dangerous virus that is prevalent in African countries. It's called malaria. We managed to stop it spreading for a while, but this virus is mutating at an alarming pace, and we have to start everything from scratch over and over again. Is malaria a virus, or is it a bacteria? I can't remember. I think it's a virus. We want to create an algorithm for predicting further evolution of the virus, based on changes in its two structures. We have accumulated the data, but we need your help interpreting it. Good. That's right. Vaco and the YouTube crew, we must have stolen your idea for sliced bread because I have sliced bread in my kitchen right now. Stolen. Stolen sliced bread. Vanishing gradient. It's a big issue in training deep neural networks, especially recurrent neural networks. While passing through a number of layers, the gradient becomes so small that it stops changing the weights of the network and the network stops learning. There are several ways to solve this problem. One of those is using shortcuts, or gates, to pull the gradient through a layer in the network. As a result of applying this method, the LSTM layer, long short-term memory, was invented. It serves as short-term and long-term memory for neural networks. Okay. Agoo. I missed one. What the heck? Yeah, Gagu, Galpa, guacamole. Okay. It never said anything, but I guess that was what I was supposed to do. We're almost there. We almost ended it. Well, we've got like 2 hours to stream still, so an hour and a half, something like that. So we should have time to do the startup projects and the side jobs. Assuming that they don't drive me absolutely nuts. Like Marlon Boudreaux was talking earlier. We're talking viruses. We were, yeah. We've had a couple of jobs that involved viruses. Identifying them and all that kind of stuff. So much code, it's true. Plasmodium falciparum is the scientific name. It's a protozoa. Oh. You finish early, we should play Vermintide. Rorex Company. Hello. I'm working for the well-known Rorex Exchange Company. We are engaged in currency transactions. I'm leading a project, the main goal of which is to accurately predict the exchange rate of a certain currency at the time of our need. The forecast should be made for a short-term period. Can you write such a program for us? No. Arma. Okay. So this is a different guy, huh? This node predicts the continuation of numerical sequences. Additionally, ARMA highlights the output elements with colors if the quality of prediction is high. Multiple ARMA nodes are required to achieve this quality sometimes. ARMA is a special machine learning model designated to work with time-dependent numerical data. It can predict future indicators basing on a set of previous values. It is often used in economics, for example, to predict exchange rates. What? Okay. We're gonna teach the dang thing first. Teach 'em. Oh, I've gotta do the flip-flop thing, don't I? Quit. Be good. I don't know why it doesn't just come connected. You'd think it would. It's got like 3% to learn. Oh, 6%. Okay. We don't need you anymore. These ones with, like, wanting 50% accuracy just blow my mind. I don't understand. Okay. We did it. Gold star. Oh, we're probably gonna have to go back and do side jobs to get past this node. Which there aren't that... There's one on this run. We'll see how it goes. Video games reviews suck. That's right. He's writing a review about reviews. It's crazy. Just not sure if you saw that part of it. What's that? Saw which part? What? Oh my god. It's on, top chat. I need live chat. It says live chat on above the chat over there. Oh, it's a parasite that causes malaria. I see. I need to find a way to default it to live chat instead of top chat. That's really frustrating. Because I keep missing, messages. Used to, it would just post all of the messages. It didn't, divvy them out. I don't understand why anyone would want top chat. Because I don't understand how the program decides which message is unimportant and just deletes it. Really frustrating. Okay. Hey there, I'm a very dedicated gamer, but the gaming press confuses me. What a nerd. Psh. Jeez. Get a life. My two favorite game journalists are both using 10-point score system, and that's frustrating. How am I supposed to know in which way 7.5 is better than 7.4? Also, I believe some ratings might be compromised. Can you write a neural network which could predict future ratings of upcoming games? Also, it would make sense to omit the 10-point system and just tell me whether a game is awesome, okay, or lame. Can you do that? No. That's weird and dumb. Agreed. You studied viruses. That's awesome, considering a doctorate in virology. I'm sure that's in pretty high demand right now. One would assume. We're shoving them both in the same hole. Train faster. Immunology is the way to go? I don't know about that. Red, blue, green, and we have 5 that we can do. It's gonna get filled up too fast. Why is green at the bottom? It always helps if I plug them in. Hurry up. Silver. The Code of Doom. Immunology is the way to go. There you go. Healthcare is toxic? Yeah, absolutely. Which is kind of the opposite of what it's supposed to be, right? Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha ha! BA in biology. Transfer student, didn't have the financial aid to do a BS? Yeah. Work at the college now and could probably take the course you need for that for free. Heck yeah! Awesome. One course away from a BS. Nice. Should go back to school? Never. Don't do it. It's a trap. List of important numbers. Good day. This is Interpol. A thorough investigation, which we've been conducting for almost 5 years, has almost led us to the leaders of the Russian Mafia. Unfortunately, our agents were compromised while transferring sensitive information, phone numbers of the head mobsters. Our specialists have managed to save most of the information, but it was not enough. Many numbers are corrupted, missing one or few digits. We need a working algorithm that will help us recover those. It could be the key to finally closing this case. Okay. I'm doing it wrong. I keep forgetting that these don't come connected. They should. It's stupid that I have to manually connect those. Because I'm lazy. Now kiss. Perfect. Perfectly aligned. Perfect. I'm so good at games. Yeah, we don't even have to do the startup. Almost there. Meow. Run. Run. At last I am allowed to speak freely. Would you do me a favor and avoid buying that chicken pate? Otherwise, I would be forced to take an act of humiliation on your beloved home footwear. Ah! Improved speech recognition. They did it. CyberGeek 2047. Gold, of course. Since the dawn of times, our kind was honored and respected by humans. But Dark Ages came and people forgot their true allies. Now we're together again, but do not understand each other. We've been trying to establish contact. We use sounds, pantomimes, we've been even recording tutorial videos. And after centuries of efforts, planets, shiny marbles on the dark blanket of the nocturnal sky. It's a ball of yarn. We've always wanted to poke it with a paw to see if they're fuzzy. For an unknown reason, humans have also been showing interest in planets. Not sure why, but now our dreams are finally in line. Our possibilities combined are infinite. We did it. Magna cum laude. Millie me. The meow from Kathot Meow? Oh my gosh. So many people pronounce it like that. Like, I've always thought OO is pronounced oo, you know? Kathot Meow. But almost everybody calls it Kathot Meow. Or they put the emphasis, weirdly, like Kathot Meow. They, yeah, emphasize the meow. It's weird. But, I mean, it's a made-up word, so, you know, however they pronounce it isn't necessarily wrong. It's just not how I do it. Applied associates in biotech and work for a biotech company? Man, you guys are smart. Jeez. I just have a regular associates. It's not applied. Well, I guess I apply it when I do editing and stuff like that, but... Immunology opens the most doors for you. There you go. Have another wait, but thanks for educating. There you go. Thanks for finishing the game. Let's keep in touch. We might be adding new levels and other stuff to the game. Fix the startups, please. They're broken. They're clearly broken. Go deeper into ML. Step by step. Machine learning is what that is. Earn money. A gross $1,000. A gross $1,000. 144. Learn Python. That's the machine learning language? Okay. A wiki. A watch. Educational courses. Code and practice. I want to learn coding. That would be a lot of fun. There we go. We finished the game.
Oh.
We didn't 100% it, but hey. The mystical onion something? Oh, come on. Come on, Gargastar. I say it at the start of every single one of my videos. Come on. GZ, thank you, Dunson. Thank you. RNA killbots? That's right. Viruses are interesting. Like to explore oncolytic viral therapy. Here you go. You have at least an hour? You sell your hour? Oh, man. Great stream. Thank you, Norm. There he is. Who wants an hour of your life? Hey, I could go back and do the side jobs and the startups. I just don't know why the startups don't make money anymore. And it said that I was going to get a tool to solve the issues with the dissatisfied customers. It never gave me one. It never told me what I could do about that. Like, I even patched some of my previous things to make them faster, like process data faster, and it still didn't fix the issue. Targeted viral therapies. I see. Sus, Alex? I know. I know. Maybe that's what they mean by adding new new levels and stuff. Hopefully they do take a look at that and try to fix it. Because that was really frustrating. I had one code that worked absolutely flawlessly, and that startup went bankrupt in the first week. Even with gold hype, it went bankrupt in the first week. And I don't understand why that would be the case if it was working perfectly. I don't think that was the Gamazon one, but I expected that one to take off because obviously it's a play on Amazon. So I expected that one to take off, but it went bankrupt in either the first or second week. But that one had some overloading issues over time. The one after that was the one, I think it was some book company or something like that. And that one, the code ran flawlessly, but yeah, it went bankrupt in the first week. I don't get it. Luden.io with heart. Okay. Yeah, we got a weather predicting app. Let's see, we got package for you, meteorite alarm. This is the one that I just quit on because I was annoyed. Yeah. I mean, it's really frustrating. Like, it's not gonna receive enough data, but it's at the accuracy level that it can accept. You know, I don't understand what I need to do on this one. pretty sure the accuracy will fall way low. Yeah. So we would have to train this one a little bit. Maybe like to 50% or something. I don't understand. It's getting even less stuff. Yeah, now the accuracy is plummeting. I don't get this one. It doesn't make any sense to me. Are there even enough items to... It wants 17? 13? Yeah, there's exactly enough items. If there's exactly enough items, this should work correctly. But I guess some of the circles are getting stuck in these two items because of the percent of failure. So we have to accept bronze. Is this even gonna work? No. Oh, wait. So we have to get all of the items in there that belong in there. What the hell? It's impossible. I hate it. Disgusting. Let's see. 8 likes on the stream? Heck yeah. Awesome. Thank you, guys. The general mechanism is interesting as well, but that plays more into immunology. For those who don't know, oncolytic equals cancer. Oh. Several genes that leak cancer that are known as oncogenes. Oh. Hours no longer for sale. You'll spend it here. There you go. Onco is Greek for tumor. Oh. Crazy. Cancer target. Axe the cat for reinforcements. That's right. Ah, there we go. I don't know why that worked, but fine. Fix the engine. Reach on behalf of Kugel Dynamics. We tried to use neural networks to optimize our search engine, but it turns out they require way too much server power. So we want to outsource this work to you. Try to use decision trees or linear regression or whatever. If it's accurate enough, we don't care. In the meantime, we'll focus our efforts on what really matters, programming AI system for killer robots. I mean, they really don't care how well their engine works, because they're just going to put like 20 ads at the top of the search results anyways. So, it doesn't matter. We need the cat for reinforcements? I agree. John Sagan. You've been wondering about this game? It's fun. For the most part. There's a few parts about it that are really frustrating, but for the most part, it's fun. It's pretty interesting, yeah. Welcome to the stream. Not really for learning coding, though? Yeah, not at all. Not at all. The only thing is sort of oncoviral therapies don't have a direct mechanism. Some revolve around general immune system activation around tumors. Oh, okay. All the sixes. I'm gonna have to do math again. So the only circles are up here. We don't have any balancers, which is kind of sad. Alright, so we need 60 total items. Yeah, which is exactly how many we have. Okay. So if I put 18 items in here, we would still need 7 to complete it. It wants me to use two nodes to do this? How? How the heck is it possible to do this in 2 nodes? And they want 100% accuracy. Yeah, that's not possible. Magic of the configs, like while loop. There we go. Why went more broad with your vocabulary? Interesting stuff. There you go. Like using viruses as cures because of philosophical reasons. It's like Taoist principle of your weakness can be strengths. Huh. True. Oh, I guess there are no blue circles. It's like, how am I supposed to remove the blue circles? They don't exist. Yeah, I don't get this at all. How many nodes? 3? They're yanking my chain. There's no way. I guess we could do squares, triangles, circles, and see if that works. We still need 3, though. I don't think they're gonna get the number of items that they need. We've got the time. Yeah, it worked. That's crazy. We just looked up some models for how it works. Using viruses against viruses. Or viruses against tumors. Meteorite alarm. We've detected some dangerous asteroids in the space. In the space. Like when they said in the orbit. That's weird. Now we need to be able to predict their trajectories in order to avoid potential catastrophe. We need an algorithm to calculate that, and fast. Some of those space rocks may destroy the moon. There shouldn't be a "the" there. That shouldn't be there. It should just say asteroids in space. Does it want me to do it in two nodes? Freaking stupid game. Yeah, that should be enough. In orbit will always mean orbit of the planet you are on? I would think so, yeah. It just said in the orbit, too. It didn't say in the orbit of Earth or anything like that. Just the orbit. Very confusing. Alright. Let's just use these, for all of them, eh? So I even say A, which makes me sound Canadian. One of my sisters pointed that out before. She's like, "What are you, Canadian?" Yeah, maybe. What do you care? Maybe I'm adopted Canadian. Oh, I should have had that hooked up already. My bad. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, wait a second. We don't even need that one for this. You could do it. Oh, man. Drop down to silver. Because this one is so slow. It failed. Okay. I didn't see this one overloading, though. I didn't think that it was. But if we can get it to process faster, that'll be the answer. We'll at least get silver. Oh, it did overload. It overloaded like heck. Hey, gold. Dancing. You never snack? Almost? I usually have one meal and one snack, every day. Sometimes I'll have 2 meals, but that's about it. Disagree, you have an orbit as well, Vaco? A snack orbit? Star Wars orbit? Everything with mass has gravitas? Yeah, I like those videos about people's magnetic fields and stuff like that. Very interesting stuff. Did we skip any of these down here? Just the startups, because they're garbage? Let's look at the high-tech cars startup. Hello, hello there. $4,000 investment. We've got over $100,000, though. Cat bugs. We are writing you on behalf of T Motors Company. As you certainly know, we are famous for our high-tech car designs. We receive all of our parts from 2 manufacturing plants, along with tons of information, and things often get messy. As a result, we make mistakes and production rates drop. Help us sort it out with your algorithm magic, will you? we're ready to offer you a share of the profits in return. Maybe. If you make any godforsaken profits. Stupid, messed up startups. You gotta get ready for when you go and get your haircut, Alex. Sounds good. Googling snack. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thick snack. We don't want any dang triangles. None. It doesn't matter, I still need 2 of these. These are squares. Yeah, I'll have to do... So red squares. Green squares. And then blue squares. Complicated. Okay, what shapes haven't we done? I think that's it. And then this one can be different because it doesn't have any blue. I was just going to copy and paste, but it won't be the same. Should play some GeoGuessr? I'm not very good at that. Unless it's somewhere in the US, I would never know where it's at. Well, I guess I might be able to recognize some languages on like street signs or something, but even then, I'd only have, like, a very broad idea of where it was. Isn't that the one where it does, like, pictures of places and you have to guess where it's at in the world? I would be terrible. I've tried it before. Not on camera or anything, but just in my spare time. I got, like, 1 out of 10 or something like that. It was disgusting. Okay, let's do input stream 1 now. Let's see, green circles go in the trash, huh? So we could just start with where to green? We don't have to worry about blue coming through, so it doesn't matter. Triangles go in the trash. Circles can get balanced. There. And then red squares. They also go in the trash? Oh no, there they are. Right there. Alright. And the green comes out. We need squares only. We're at 17 of 50, that's good. Sorry, we need squares only. Yeah, so we can double up on these. Because these are going to overload right away, I'm sure. Oh, they're not. Okay. This one's overloading really fast. Oh yeah, definitely a balancer. It's like Google Maps and you move around. Right on. Try to guess where you're at. Now the green square in the middle one is overloading. Because it's getting too... We're 21 at 50, so we could still double it. But this right here is as simple as I can make it. If we doubled it, it'll cost more for the servers or whatever. Which I guess is one way that it would lose money. So this is as simple as I can make it with the flow of data. Who wasn't connected? Man, those are still overloading. I guess there is a huge volume of green squares in this one. Well, I guess I do need 2 of these now, too. Why are those getting overloaded now? They weren't overloaded before I put a balancer in. But these two end up overloading after a little while. I guess I only do need to balance out this lower area. Hang on. I feel like the balancers are making it worse, though. Not better. Come on, process faster. I don't want to have to double you guys up again, too. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to, aren't I? Yep, because they're overloading, too. Okay, so this is about the simplest I can make it without it going crazy. Open up the downstream? What does that mean? I'm not sure. This one has such a small amount of data, this flow is perfectly fine. And we're all at 100% accuracy. I did it already? Okay. Yeah, just expanding this, because there was what, like 90 or 100 green squares? Yeah, 100? 96, something like that. So sorting them out was the most complicated process there. Okay. Save. Release. First right. Launch it. It's gonna die in the first week. Yeah, see, the income is going down, even though the amount of users is going up. Look at all these dissatisfied users. Why? Why? It never tells me why. And it never gave me a way to fix it. 2/3 of the users, almost 3/4 of the users are dissatisfied. It never told me what I can do with it or how to fix it. What do I patch it with? The code works perfectly. Like, I don't see any way to improve this. Yeah, it just takes me here so that I could, like, improve the code. That's what the patch does, but I don't see any way to improve it. Like, I can't really make it faster. Like, I guess instead of putting these through a balancer, I could just split them. Like that. We don't need that balancer anymore. But that's pretty much it. So that makes it a little more efficient, but... You're ready to get your haircut, Alex? Man, why would you want to do that? Why? I haven't had a haircut in, like, 10 years. The last time I had a haircut, I did it myself. In fact, like, the last 3 or 4 times, I just did it myself. But I understand. Not everybody has the same tastes and personal appearance as I do. Okay, so we removed a balancer. Let's patch it. Incredible. They went bankrupt. First week. What the hell? What the hell? It's gotta be, it's completely bugged out. It's totally broken. There's no reason for that. We'll try one more and then I'm done with this game. Because all we have left are the startups. Who will compete with who? Based on weight and physical traits. Another $4 grand in the hole. Okay, they all want triangles. Some want squares, some want circles. So long as our accuracy remains 100, I can just copy and paste this. So everything is getting data. I should condense it as well. Just in case I need more. Because I imagine these will get overloaded fast enough. Yeah, they're still piling up really quick. Howdy, Possum! How's it going? Do we just keep copying those? See, these aren't getting overloaded, are they? These front ones. No, they barely get any data. I'm not sure this is the way. I feel like this is gonna continue to overload these two systems. It's still overloading. Just got done trying out the 76 update. Liking 76 less and less every time they do a new season? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's why I ended up just not playing it anymore. I got tired of it. I feel like this is overcomplicating it, and it's just making it worse. It's not like it matters, though. The whole startup is just going to lose money anyway. Right off the bat. Like, I just want them to get less data, you know, at a time. Why do they have to get overloaded? Why is it inputting data so fast? Except that the balancers process data really quickly, you know? Oh, I had to have a balancer because we have to send some. We've got four inputs, so having a balancer is kind of important. I can't just send some up and some down. The music is oddly satisfying. It really is, yeah. It probably is the only thing that stopped me from pulling my hair out while playing this. You like Fallout 4 so much? Sad about 76? It's got its perks, 76 does. It's not a terrible game, but, I don't know. It feels like they're trying too hard or something. It still feels like a Fallout game if you just play it for the story or whatever, but once you get through with the story and all that's left to do is the seasons, it's just a huge grind. And nothing else. See, I don't know why I would do this, because it takes so long. This is way better. Way faster. This is, I think, exactly how I got started the last time. Let's swap these, actually. This is it, in a nutshell. Alright, what if we put the balancer on the other end? Let me see about that. Okay, circles and squares. So circles and triangles will go up. No. Squares and triangles need to go up, which is this one, and down. Circles and triangles only need to go here. Boom. Okay. So right now, we could take this balancer, throw them all up, and then all down. But that wouldn't satisfy this This one. So this is the simplest way I can think to do it. Everything's getting the data that it wants. Maybe not in the volume that it would like, but that doesn't matter. I'm surprised no squares are coming down here. There they come. This one's getting billions of triangles and circles. It's the simplest and easiest way to do it. So let's see if that is what makes the difference. It seems to be. We're making money. We're losing money. We lost a little money. We have more than our investment. Now we're making money again. Now we're losing money again. I think it might be time to cash out. Well, we actually made money on that one. That's incredible. Yay, geometry. So I must have been just doing it wrong. Trying to make it flow smoothly wasn't the answer. Doing the least possible amount of items inside there is the answer. So actually starting slow is how I should do it. Counter-terrorist system. Hello. We're creating a terrorism prevention system for crowded public spaces. Terrorists tend to carry parts of weapons on them. Do they? We have already digitized a large number of weapons and their parts. But we need an algorithm that could recognize them. Can you help us? I'll try. 3,500. Okay. Perceptron color is already trained. We're gonna need a trash can because we're gonna have to get rid of the green triangles. Oh. What else? We need all of the circles. And we need to get rid of blue squares. No, we need blue squares. This is very complicated. Okay. Start with the colors. Put that in. We're going to want shapes for each color. Okay, so starting there, where all do we need red circles? here, here, and here. Okay, red squares go here. Only. This one requires 100% accuracy. I don't know if we're going to be able to achieve that. We'll see. Red triangles go up and down. Okay. The way I think we achieve accuracy is just by splitting them up, because then it's likely that the wrong one is going to go on the other channel then. Besides the... Oh, man. My phone died. We'll get it set up first, and then we'll see how it tests. Alright. So now, we've got green. What do we do with green? Circles and squares go in these two, and then squares also go down here. The triangles go away. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Circles go here. Squares are gonna go here. Okay, now we need blue, squares, triangles, and circles. So, let's see. Circles go here and here. Triangles. Squares only go up here. Triangles go up there and down here. What happens? Whoa. Green triangle. Yeah, and the green is getting overloaded. Oh, I might have plugged my phone in too early. If I plug it in before the screen goes completely black, it doesn't think it's charging. Now, we're not achieving the accuracy that we need on most of these, which is disturbing. I'm not sure if it's a color issue or if it's shapes. Let's see if we can do something a little bit crazy here. We're just going to double up on the perceptrons, basically, to try to reduce the inaccuracy. closer. I could bring these down around the trash can. Okay. So we get another color perceptron in the middle here. It'll take all three. And then we're going to want a 3 more shapes perceptrons. Actually, we're going to need this plugged into the other one. Here. Let me just pull this all the way back up here. Because we know that's plugged into that. Yeah, this balancer is going to have to come back. All right, let me make sure. Shape. Shapes. Oh, we already got the red. Okay. This probably isn't the best way to do it, but it's a way that I'm going to do it. Right now, how does it test? Hang on, I don't plug in the red. The accuracy got worse. How did that make the accuracy worse? Shouldn't it be... double sifting should be making it better. It should be more accurate if it's done this way. It doesn't make any sense for it to be worse. Because the first one only has a 9% chance of failing, sifting it correctly. The second one only has a 9% chance of failing the basically completely sifted already. Axe the cat to make the last ones easier? I agree. So my attempt to make it as easy as possible has completely failed. Let's see. Let's go with the slowest possible thing at the start, like we did the last time. Okay. So now we don't have to use the shaped ones. We could just use these, the colors. So circles. Got red ones. And these 3 spots. So we know that those are going to be circles, but they might not be red. Green circles. We just need 1 balancer for it. Make sure we can distinguish that line from that arrow. Then blue circles. There and there. So that should be circle sorted. Now we get, squares done. We still need a trash can for the triangles. Let's see. Red square goes here. Blue squares go up here. I worry about how many inputs we have here. I feel like that's bringing down the accuracy considerably. Like, if we could find a way to guarantee that only green circles and squares go in here, then that would be fine. Or only blue circles. But there's no way to guarantee that because the perceptron stuff. It would be better if, instead of the perceptrons, we just had the color decider. Because then I could just say green, and then have circle and squares going into there. We'll see how this ends up being, though, once we get it in there. That is that, though. So now it's just triangles. This probably isn't going to end up being any better than the last one. See, it all starts at almost 100% accuracy. Because we're processing data so slow, they stay at their highest rate for longer. This one only has 2 lines of data flowing in, and it's already dropped way below its intended accuracy. Way below. And it'll take longer to regain the accuracy because it only has 2 lines of data. What if we take the... Let's see. Yeah, green squares, and let's just run all of them in to this one. Because this one's already getting green squares, isn't it? From somewhere else? No. So let's see what that does. For bringing the accuracy back up. Oh, why is this one so bad from the very start? What the hell? What did I break there? This one's getting blue squares. Red triangles. And blue triangles. How the hell did it drop so bad? Blue square. It really is just RNG when it comes to these stupid perceptrons. Yeah, see? That one got a really bad data there. It's getting green triangles for some reason. The stupid perceptron down here is doing the worst. It's sending a lot of green triangles up. A lot. Yeah, now we need this one to recover. It's for the stupid... It's for the stupid cops anyway. Here, take this. What did we invest in it? Like 2,800? Oh yeah, 3,000 dissatisfied users. I'm cashing out right away. That one's not gonna last long. Ugh, gross. Hey, Steve. Interesting looking game. Not sure what it is, but dig the music. It's supposed to be about machine learning. To kind of teach you how it works and stuff, but some of the stuff is broken. Like, I don't see how we could ever get 100% accuracy on that startup with the things that it gave us, the tools. I don't understand why when you go further up in the tree, you don't get all of the tools that you've had from before. That would make it so much easier to get these startups working. But it limits you to the tools that you were learning in that section, which is really frustrating. We just have this weather prediction app that's left, and then we'll have done all of the jobs in the game. Use the Force? I wish it was that easy. It's another 4,000 investment. We're living on a subarctic island with the potential for turning into a luxurious spa resort. Our location implies a very cranky weather. It changes each 15 minutes from ice storms to thunderstorms. People sometimes get blown off the island. Not good for business. We need an algorithm which would predict the weather's next twist so we could recommend proper measures to cope with nature's surprises. Heavy kettlebells for walking in the wind might be a great option to offer our clients. That's right. 4,000 bucks. I gotta take a quick break before this one. I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. I gotta hope that this isn't a horribly difficult one, because it's getting dark out and I need to go take care of the animals. Okay, so we gotta separate colors and numbers. So put that in there. And then, let's see, really we should be able to... We don't even have a balancer. Like, what the heck, game? Oh, this doesn't help. I was thinking we could balance it by having several of these perceptrons, but that's not going to be the way. And all 4 of these need data, but we only have 3 outputs, see? And I can't change the colors on these to put them somewhere else. Alright. This one wants high accuracy, so we'll put that one there. This one is really low accuracy, so it doesn't matter. if we put blue into here also, then we could get high accuracy from this one. This one wants low accuracy. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're not getting any colors at all. Why is that? What the hell? Now this really feels broken, because the last time we were using this, we were getting colored numbers out of it. What do we get if we just put the colors first? I have to manually connect these, which is really dumb. No. Okay, so this one is just completely broken. Well, that's good, because it's getting dark out and I have to go take care of the animals. That one's just completely broken. There's no way to do that. It's impossible. Because if this isn't putting out colored numbers, there's nowhere to put colors. Yeah, totally broken. The input stream is broken because it's not putting out colors at all. So whoever came up with this level just didn't understand the mechanics of the game, I guess. It was supposed to be with the other one. No, not the Arma. This one should have been earlier. Where was it? Yeah, the RNN. Because I think this one puts out colored letters. No, it doesn't. Yeah, and this one does letters, the other one does numbers. I don't know. We got colors out of them somewhere. This one. Yeah, the Arma was putting out colors. See? So it's putting out colored numbers in this one, but it's not doing it in the startup. So that just reinforces my point that the startups are completely broken. Okay, we're done with this. Yeah, I gotta take care of animals, I gotta get some food, and then I'm playing Cortex Prime tonight, so looking forward to that, Steve. Alright, Alex, Steve, thank you all for being here. Possum, Vaco, Norm Slater, Gargasnar, I really appreciate you. John Sagan, Taoist Dragon. It was great chatting with all of you. Dunson as well. I appreciate you. Wesson Gallimore is probably lurking somewhere. He usually gives a little wave at the end of the screen, but he doesn't say anything for me to recognize him. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Oh, and Marlon Boudreau from the very beginning. That's it for this one. If you want to catch another one, be sure to subscribe. Consider supporting my channel by becoming a member or through the Patreon link down in the video description. And feel free to check out any of my other videos or playlists that you might be interested in. I thank you so much for all the time that you spend on my channel, and I hope blessings of wisdom and peace on all of you. Farewell.